This exercise is called the Rantom Countdown. Here is an example in French.
1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8.
The participants are asked to count from 1 to 10 without any assigned order. Each time two people say a number at the same time, we start again. It is also possible to count backwards from 10 to 1.
Qualquer personne dit 1. Toi.
3, 5.
Non.
J'arrive à mon enfant, ça déchire. On a trop peur. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh. 1, 2,
1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Wow!
This exercise builds patience, teamwork, and nonverbal communication. It also encourages verbal communication, counting, when language is an obstacle.